Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. My name is Kritika Indora and today we are going to enhance our knowledge by the questions of obstetrics and gynecology. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Let's get started. First question. Abortion is the termination of pregnancy before 12 weeks, 28 weeks, 37 weeks or 42 weeks. The correct answer, abortion is the termination of pregnancy before 28 weeks. Because it can cause excessive bleeding, blood clots, severe cramping, pain and cervical incompetence in future pregnancies. Next question. Propulsive stage in labor in multipara is 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 40 minutes or 1 hour. The correct answer, propulsive stage in labor in multipara is 20 minutes. Propulsive stage starts from full dilation up to the descent of the presenting part to the pelvic floor. Drug not given in pregnancy is inhibitors, penicillin, methyl dopa or labetalol. The correct answer, drug not given in pregnancy is inhibitors. The inhibitors are contraindicated in pregnancy because they increase the risk of fetal renal damage. Significant weight loss is 5% over 6 to 12 months, 10% over 6 to 12 months, 5% over 6 weeks or 10% over 6 weeks. The correct answer, significant weight loss is 5% over 6 to 12 months. Next, weight of placenta is 50 grams, 200 grams, 450 grams or 500 grams. The correct answer, weight of placenta is 500 grams. One of the complications of hyperemesis gravidarum is increased vomiting, dehydration, Korsakoff psychosis or low blood pressure. The correct answer, the complication of hyperemesis gravidarum is Korsakoff psychosis. Korsakoff psychosis is a late complication of persistent Wernicke's encephalopathy and results in memory deficit, confusions and behavioral changes. The most common cause of spontaneous abortion is physical trauma, unresolved stress, congenital defects or germplasm defects. The correct answer, the most common cause of spontaneous abortion is germplasm defects. So, the most common cause for the spontaneous abortion is by the genetic malformation of the fetus, but they may also be caused by incompetence of the cervix, hormone deficiencies, uterine abnormalities or infections. A nurse is assessing a client with pregnancy-induced hypertension. The nurse expects the client blood pressure to be 150 by 100 mm of Hg while standing and sitting, elevated and accompanied by a headache, above the baseline and fluctuating at each reading, or 30 by 15 mm of Hg over the baseline on 2 occasions 6 hours apart. The correct answer: pregnancy-induced hypertension. The nurse expects the client blood pressure to be 30 by 15 mm of Hg over the baseline on 2 occasions 6 hours apart. The first fetal movement felt by mother is called as quickening, flexion, attitude, or lightening. The correct answer: the first fetal movement felt by mother is called as quickening. Embryonic stage is known as 12 weeks to conception, 13 weeks to conception, 36 weeks to 40 weeks, or 25 weeks to 26 weeks. The correct answer: embryonic stage is known as 12 weeks to conception. When mother feels fetal movement first, in 24 weeks, in 28 weeks, 32 weeks, or 20 weeks? The correct answer: when mother feels fetal movement first in 20 weeks. The presentation which is appropriate for safe delivery is face, breech, vertex, or footling. The correct answer: the presentation which is appropriate for safe delivery is vertex. In vertex position, the baby is positioned head first with their occiput, the fetal part of the head, close to the baseline of the skull, entering the birth canal first. Is appropriate for safe delivery. If baby born after 43 weeks of pregnancy, known as premature infant, post-mature infant, normal infant, or abnormal infant? The correct answer: if baby born after 43 weeks of pregnancy, known as post-mature infant. Postpartum hemorrhage is called as hemorrhage occurs within 1 to 2 hours of delivery, hemorrhage occurs within 4 to 5 hours of delivery, hemorrhage occurs within 24 hours of delivery, or hemorrhage occurs before delivery. The correct answer: postpartum hemorrhage is called as hemorrhage occurs within 24 hours of delivery. In case of hypoglycemia of newborn, what should be given? Honey, water, glucose, or juice? The correct answer: in case of hypoglycemia of newborn, glucose is given. The following are the causes of separation of a normally situated placenta except sudden uterine decompression, defective decidua, supine hypotension syndrome, or thrombophilias. The correct answer: the cause of separation of a normally situated placenta except defective decidua. If mother is diabetic during pregnancy, what effects may produce on fetal growth? Congenital anomalies, stillbirth baby, complicated delivery, or all of the above? The correct answer: if mother is diabetic during pregnancy, effects which may produce on fetal growth is all of the above. If diabetes is not well controlled during pregnancy, the baby is exposed to high blood sugar levels, often cause macrosomia. The phase in which the lining cells of the ovarian follicles are stimulated by luteinizing hormone to develop the corpus luteum to produce progesterone and estrogen is menstrual phase, proliferative phase, secretory phase, or follicular phase? The correct answer: the phase in which the lining cells of the ovarian follicles are stimulated by luteinizing hormone to develop the corpus luteum to produce progesterone and estrogen is secretory phase. Next question: which of these is not a symptom of vaginal atrophy? Lengthening of vaginal canal, thinning of vaginal walls, decreased vaginal lubrication, or urinary incontinence? The correct answer, which is not a symptom of vaginal atrophy, is urinary incontinence. The average submantovertical diameter is 9.5 cm, 10 cm, 11.5 cm, or 13.5 cm. The correct answer, the average submantovertical diameter is 11.5 centimeters. The placental abnormalities in which the accessory lobe is developed from the activated villi on the chorionic leaf is placenta succinturata, placenta spuria, placenta extracochlearis, placenta marginata. The correct answer, the placenta abnormalities in which the accessory lobe is developed from the activated villi on the chorionic leaf is placenta spuria. A clinically entity where the process of abortion has started but has not progressed to a state from which recovery is impossible is spontaneous abortion, threatened abortion, inevitable abortion, or missed abortion. The correct answer, a clinical entity where the process of abortion has started but has not progressed to a stage from which recovery is impossible is threatened abortion. Failure to deliver the head even after correct and judicious application of forceps raise the suspicion on cervical dystocia, spastic lower segment, constricting ring, or incoordinate uterine action. The correct answer, failure to deliver the head even after correct and judicious application of forceps raise the suspicion on constricting ring. Constricting ring syndrome (CRS) is a congenital disorder with unknown cause. It is a malformation due to intrauterine bands or rings that give deep grooves in most commonly distal extremities like fingers and toes. The transmission of infection from the mother to the fetus through placenta is termed as laryngogenic, teratogenic, nosocomial, or fomites. The correct answer, the transmission of infection from the mother to the fetus through placenta is termed as teratogenic. Violet coloration of the mucous membrane of cervix and vagina at 4th week of pregnancy is termed as Chadwick's sign, Hagar's sign, Goodell's sign, or Rovsing's sign. The correct answer, violet coloration of the mucous membrane of cervix and vagina at 4th week of pregnancy is termed as Chadwick's sign. The failure of uterus to return to its normal size is involution, subinvolution, protrusion, or retraction. The correct answer, The failure of uterus to return to its normal size is called as subinvolution. A home care nurse visits a pregnant client who has a diagnosis of mild preeclampsia, which assessment findings indicates a worsening of the preeclampsia and the need to notify the physician. Urinary output has increased. The client complains of a headache and blurred vision. Dependent edema has resolved. Blood pressure reading is at the prenatal baseline. The correct answer: the client complains of a headache and blurred vision. Which of the following might help the pregnant clients to overcome first trimester morning sickness? Eat dry crackers before arising. Increase fat intake before bedtime. Increase 2 small meals a day with the snacks at noon. Drink high carbohydrates, fluids and meals. The correct answer: the following might help the pregnant client to overcome first trimester morning sickness is: eat dry crackers before arising. Kelly suture is done in vaginoplasty, stress incontinence, genitourinary prolapse, or cervical incompetence. The correct answer: Kelly suture is done in cervical incompetence. An incompetent cervix, also called as cervical insufficiency, occurs when weak cervical tissue causes or contributes to premature birth or the loss of healthy pregnancy. Which of the following coagulation factor is not increased during pregnancy? Factor 11, factor 7, factor 8 or factor 9? The correct answer: the following coagulation factor which is not increased during pregnancy is factor 11. The name of the factor 11 is plasma thromboplastin antecedent. Which of the following may increase in pregnancies complicated by anemia in the second trimester? Preterm birth, urinary tract infection, pregnancy-induced hypertension, or gestational diabetes? The correct answer: the following may increase in pregnancies complicated by anemia in the second trimester is preterm birth. As anemia causes iron deficiency, which increases oxidative damage to erythrocytes and fetoplacental unit. It may also increase the risk of maternal infections, which can stimulate the production of hormones, and it is a major risk for preterm delivery. The position of uterus is retroverted and retroflexed, anteretroverted and retroflexed, retroverted and antiflexed, anteverted and antiflexed. The correct answer: anteverted and antiflexed. Thick white mucus discharged from the female genitalia is labia, estrogen, smegma, or hymen. The correct answer: thick white mucus discharged from the female genitalia is estrogen. A symmetrical enlargement of the uterus when there is lateral implantation is called as Piscacic sign, Goodell sign, Hagar sign, or von Wart signs. The correct answer: a symmetrical enlargement of the uterus when there is lateral implantation is called as Piscacic sign. Normal head circumference of a newborn is 40 to 50 centimeters, 30 to 35 centimeters, 20 to 25 centimeters or 50 centimeters. The correct answer, normal head circumference of a newborn is 33 to 35 centimeters. Thank you everyone. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.